So here's a good solution to a problem. This is our custom designed 1 foot by 1 foot heavy metal welded 50-foot eave trough. We made 3 of these for the cricket club. 2 are already installed. This is the last one to go up. They have a 6-inch aluminum residential grade eave trough on right now that gets completely overwhelmed every time it rains. The water just rolls over it and it goes down into the foundation and rots the foundation. So this is the solution for the problem. Let's take a look at it. We have hanger braces, every 3 foot long, every 2 foot on center. They're completely filled with screw holes that we can screw fasten this eave trough up. We've cross braced it, and the reason why we did that is in the winter time, when this gets maybe filled up with ice or half filled with ice, the ice expands. Without the braces it will bend the eave trough out, but with the braces it won't happen. Also, we have 2 6-inch outlets, one at this end, one at the other end, and that'll handle the tremendous water flow that's going to be going into this eave trough after we slope the roof from the rear to the front. So I'm pretty proud of this, and this is one of the reasons why I love my job. I can do things like this custom fabrication that not a lot of people can actually do, and I get to utilize this on my job. So let's take a look at the crew and the crane installing this eave trough now on the cricket club. So here we have the crane lifting the eave trough onto the roof, putting it in place. And there we pretty much have it. A few more seconds and the eave trough is in place. So I'm standing on one of the slopes of the cricket club that is almost finished. What we've done is taken off all the shingles, applied all the insulation, applied the multi-ply hot asphalt Toughroof system on, and then we installed these ice and snow slide guards. And the reason why we did this is that this roof used to be shingles, and shingles have grit on them. The grit helps snow stick to the roof and not slide. Well, our Toughroof system is a smooth system, and the ice and snow can slide sometimes. So, as a precaution, we install these ice and snow guards here. And what happens is, if we ever did get a snow slide, these are definitely going to stop them. So this is what the roof looks like. It's black because of the asphalt before we install the Durock Teal Coat white coating. So let's take a look at the roof after the white coating is installed. So here is this side of the roof after the final application of Durock's Teal Coat white elastomeric roof coating. It's very, very bright white. It's highly reflective, and it's been designed by Durock and ourselves to make our Toughroof last a very, very long time. So behind me here is the sloped area of the cricket club that we were just talking about. This is the finished product that you're seeing. What we've done to recap is we've made a truss system back there to lift up the water so it doesn't drop onto that rear roof and overwhelm it anymore. Now the water all goes to the front to those large eave troughs that we made. We then installed the insulation over top of the entire roof. Then our multi-ply hot asphalt roof system was installed, but that's black when we're finished that. Then we installed Durock's white elastomeric roof coating, and that's the reflective white that you're seeing here. It looks like a ski hill, but it's in the middle of the summertime. It's highly reflective, and what that does is the sun's rays all the time come down and bombard the roof system. So what they do when it's white is they come down, they get bounced right back out into space, and that has a few benefits. In the summertime, it keeps the inside of the building cool. It makes air conditioners work a lot more efficiently. It reduces the cooling because the air conditioning is working less. It makes the roof last longer, and it reduces our urban heat island effect. If all roofs, say all commercial, industrial flat roofs or large sloped roofs like this were changed to white, we could reduce this city's temperature by 3 degrees in the summertime. And this is what they look like when they're finished. They look beautiful. So here's that custom designed eave trough system. Let's go down into it. It is 12 inches deep and 12 inches wide to handle any horizontal water flow here at the bottom of the roof. It has 2 6-inch outlets that can handle the vertical component of the water, and it's designed to be able to handle anything or any volume of water that this roof system can throw at it. So as you can see, with the problems and solutions that we've come up with for the Toronto Cricket Club, that we can pretty much handle any project. With 4 generations of roofing experience, we've handled the largest industrial commercial jobs right down to residential jobs. Doesn't matter the size to us, we can handle any problem. Let it be drainage problems, leakage problems, sloping, insulation values, we can handle anything. So give us a call. We'd love to come out and price your project.